Hi, welcome back. This video that I'm going to do today is a little different than what I've done on my channel, but I want to do more than just product reviews. I'm not just going to be an influencer. I'm going to be a comedian. No, not exactly that. If I'm adding comedian to my list, I'm also going to add Disney adult. And before you come at me, Disney is fun. I like Disney World. I do not wear a bunch of merch and I'm not a freak about it, but it's fun. My family has gone multiple times over the last 10, 15 years, and it just is one of our most fun trips. So if you are looking at doing a trip, or if you've done one, or if you are a Disney adult, hey girl, then this list is for you. I'm gonna go through every single ride in Disney World. I think I've been on all of them, including the new ones, because I just went for Food and Wine Fest last fall, and I got to ride the new rides, including Tron and Guardians of the Galaxy. So I'm gonna run through, if you're looking for a comprehensive review, this ain't it. If you are looking for a really quick review and you wanna know about the new stuff, then stick around, because we're just gonna blow through these really fast. Oh, and I mean, I said I'm not a Disney adult, but I mean, I don't wear these, but I have them. So do with that what you will. Okay, Flight of Passage. It breathes in between your legs. You are literally riding a beast. Barnstormer featuring the Great Goofini. Fun for kids. You can tell them that they actually flew a plane. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Hook 'em horns. I mean, my Texas roots are screaming and I feel like a cowboy. Casey Jr.'s Splash and Soak Station. I would literally never do this in my life, but on a review that I read, it said your kids will, capital, get wet. Dinosaur Dinoland USA. It looks like a stuffy museum on the outside, and it looks like one of the most fun rides on the inside. I literally was actually kind of terrified at one point. Expedition Everest. This drop will make your something scream. You'll feel it. You'll feel it downstairs. Frozen Ever After. It's frozen, but it's a ride. It's cute. It took over an old Swedish ride. That one sucked. Grand Fiesta. I didn't know Donald Duck had Hispanic roots, but apparently. Guardians of the Galaxy, absolute coolest roller coaster I've ever been on. You really do go back into time, and you clutch your pearls. Haunted Mansion, I'm gay. I love it. It's a small world. You bitches don't get it. You literally don't get it. It's arts and crafts explosion. Journey into Imagination. Figment needs to be taken out back. Figment needs to be put down. Jungle Cruise. If you want to watch a Disney World employee attempt stand-up comedy, this is the ride for you. Also, used to be kind of problematic and racist, but apparently they changed that. Cali River Rapids. The people who go on this look shocked that they got wet. It is a river rapid, girl. I've seen so many moms in full white outfits, pissed, absolutely pissed that they're soaking from head to toe. Liberty Square Riverboat. If you want to live in colonial America, then this will make you feel right at home. Living with the Land. Call me a botanist. I'm so into it. It's so cute. It's like if a science textbook came alive and it was a ride. Mini Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. It's Winnie the Pooh. If you are too old for a kid's ride, then you need to reevaluate, because you're not, and Winnie the Pooh is cute as hell. Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway. It took over the Great Movie Ride, which rip, but it's literally one of the coolest rides. It's trackless. You can go on it a million times. You'll never see the same thing twice. But that new animation style of Mickey, I don't know. I don't know if the kids need something new. Millennium Falcon, Smuggler's Run, the Vomitron, the Vomit Machine, Star Wars Vomiter, Mission Space. If you want to get flung around like you're in a human centrifuge machine, this is the ride for you. Navi River Journey. It's the Walmart of Avatar. It's fun. It's got a scary animatronic at the end of it. Peter Pan's Flight. Overrated. Sorry, Mom. It's overrated. Pirates of the Caribbean. Ahoy Matey. Get into it. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. It's cute. You're in a mouse. You're a mouse. You smell bread and it's 3D and you feel like you want to throw up the bread you just smelled. Rise of the Resistance. The coolest ride ever. If you want to ride 4 roller coasters in one, go on Rise of the Resistance. It's absolutely worth it. Rock and Roller Coaster with Aerosmith. Never listened to Aerosmith, but I ride this ride like 10 times when I'm there, and every single time it puts all of my regrets into the back of my head. It takes any guilt I've ever had, gone. Second guessing myself, not anymore. You get off the ride with full like Kiss Screamo makeup on. Seven Doors Mine Train, the quietest roller coaster I've ever been on in my life. Slinky Dog Dash. If you think that you're too old for it, you are not. It is actually kind of a thrilling children's roller coaster. Soaring Around the World. If you got some rank BO going around the world getting drunk in Epcot, this is the ones you got to stop at. You'll smell like an ocean breeze for about 5 minutes. Space Mountain, the Bone Rattler. This is the ride that you run to when the park's closing and you got 5 minutes left. Spaceship Earth. It is nostalgia in a ball. If you think that you need to bypass it, you are wrong. Walk into the park, walk onto Spaceship Earth. It ends with the internet being invented. So, nostalgia. Splash Mountain. Incredible and racist. And it is now being changed to Tiana's Bayou, so thank God. But I love that track, and I love that drop, and I love the old musty smell. Star Tours, The Adventures Continue. Test track. Test track. Girl, I know that thing is on a track, but every single time I'm on it, I think we're actually gonna crash into a wall. Tiana's Bayou Adventure! I haven't ridden it yet because it's not out, but I can't wait. Tron, absolute waste of money and time. The most depressing get her help pre-show experience I've ever seen, ever. Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, I wish I could stay in that hotel. Please, Disney, make that hotel a place that I can buy a room in. Under the Sea, Journey with the Little Mermaid. If you didn't like the movie for no particular reason, go back to old school. See what you know. The Seas with Nemo and Friends. Fishy. Astro Orbiter, Vomiter in the Air. Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, Shooting, but for kids. Carousel of Progress. Do not ever change this ride ever. 1964 had it right. Everything about this is perfect, and if you want a nap, this is the place to take it. Dumbo the Flying Elephant, another vomiter in the air. Enchanted Tiki Room, Walt's favorite attraction, my favorite attraction. Kilimanjaro Safaris, never been on it before? You literally are next to real animals. I did not know that. Mickey's PhilharMagic. It's a must-see. It's an absolute must-see. You want to smell like you're eating apple pie? Go to this ride. Also now, they have new scenes in it. So go watch again. Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor. Actually funny. Actually funny. Mike Wazowski really cracked some one. Prince Charming Regal Carousel. It's a carousel. Need I say more? Tomorrowland Speedway. If you want to get a mild high from gas fumes, this is the ride for you. The Tomorrowland People Mover. I am like a dog out a window. I love being moved around. I love the wind in my hair. I wish it went around the entire park. Toy Story Mania, the only ride that will give you a intense arm workout. Triceratops Spin, Dumbo but with dinosaurs. Walt Disney World Railroad, really cute, been closed for years, so I hope it's open when you go. Country Bear Jamboree, it just closed and part of my heart died. Scariest attraction I've ever been in. All versions of the Hall of Presidents, perfect place for a summertime nap. It's tough to be a bug. If you want to scare the shit out of your kid, take them to this show, because this was one of my top tier nightmares as a child. Lightning McQueen Racers Academy, do not sleep on it. Hollywood Studios knows what they're doing, and Mr. Lightning McQueen is like the coolest robot I've ever seen. Muppet Vision 3D, Muppets in 3D. You should go. Turtle Talk with Crush. Is Crush still alive? What are we doing? Okay, well, that's just like my really fast review of all of the different rides and attractions that I've been on. I'm sure I missed some, but if you have a favorite, let me know. If you think that I got your favorite wrong, also let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video.